how do you feel about politics today in this country? What do you think? There's a game what's the game that's being played that maybe we are not aware of? And for us to make peace with the state of the country, what we should understand from a political point of view.
Okay, so I'll take you through.
Great question, by the way.
It's a very
Yeah.
fascinating question,
Yeah.
right? Fine, right? There's a political will to do something which is good, to change, to make the lives. For example, I'll go back to my story. The political will was we need the students' safety because students couldn't go out at night to go buy bread. That's the political will, to say students need to be safe. But with the political will comes there, what do they say? There's a word, I'm trying to think of it. Capitalist mind to it. I also read capitalist book. What is it?
The capitalist nigger.
The capitalist nigger.
Yeah.
Right? So now, there's a will, there's a capitalist. Now, what is a capitalist mind saying?
How am I going to benefit out of this?
How am I going to benefit out of this?
And how is everyone going to
How
benefit
also
out of
everyone
this?
is going to benefit from it. So same thing with the current politics that are here, whether national level, international level. It's always about the capitalist there
Interest.
and the will.
Polit-
You look at the war in Iran with the US and stuff like that. We might be looking at it, Trump is just another guy. But the real thing is that they're fighting for oil there.
Mm, mm.
And
they are trying to save the dollar from being wiped out.
You understand? That is, he's trying to, or in my view, he's trying to, keep the power that he has, or the power that America has.